Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on macOS. Before we start, please note that this is a major change and involves modifying deep system settings. So, only proceed if this is absolutely necessary. Also, I strongly recommend you back up your data right now to avoid any potential risks. First, I'll open System Settings, then navigate to Users and Groups. In this tutorial, I'm going to change the username for the account Ethan Nguyen, which is the account I am currently logged into. Here's the trick. Before modifying this account, you actually need to create a temporary new user. Click the Add User button. Next, enter your computer password. Fill in the basic info here, but pay attention. Make sure to select the account type as Administrator. Then, click Create User. Since I already have this backup admin account called ETS, I won't create a new one. Now I need to log out of the Ethan account completely, and I will log in using the ETS account. Okay guys, I've logged out of Ethan and I am currently signed in with the ETS admin account. Now we can safely proceed to change the username for the main account. To do this, right-click on the Ethan account, then select Advanced Options. Enter your computer password when prompted. Here we need to change a few specific fields. First is the username field. Type the new name you want. For example, I will change this to Ethan. For the full name, I'll also change it to Ethan. Now look at the home directory field. You need to change the path to match your new name, so change it to /users/Ethan. Note that this folder doesn't technically exist yet. We will fix that in the next step. Finally, click OK. After changing the settings in System Settings, open Finder. Go to the root directory of your MacBook, then open the Users folder. Here you will see the old home folder named Ethan Nguyen. We are simply going to rename this folder to match the exact username we just set in System Settings. If it asks for a password, just enter your computer password. And that's it for the configuration. Now I'm going to restart the computer. Welcome back. After restarting and logging into the original account with the new name, if everything loads up correctly, it means you've successfully changed it. You can verify this one more time. Open Terminal, then type pwd and hit Return. You should see the path return as /users/Ethan. Most of your settings and data will remain intact. However, some minor settings in specific apps might reset if they were hard-coded to the old user path. You can adjust those as you go. But if you followed these steps correctly, everything should work seamlessly. That's how you change your username on a MacBook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and check out my other macOS tutorials. See you in the next video!